Three things are required for a fire. Remove any one of these things and the fire extinguishes. Fuel combines with oxygen in the presence of heat, releasing more heat. As a result, it reduces itself to other chemical compounds. Heat accelerates the combining of oxygen with fuel, in turn releasing more heat. Oxygen, the element that combines chemically with another substance through the process of oxidation. Rapid oxidation, accompanied by a noticeable release of heat and light, is called combustion or burning. For commercial purposes, the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, has classified fires into three basic types: Class A, Class B, and Class C. Class A fires involve ordinary combustible materials, such as wood, cloth, paper, upholstery materials, and so forth. Class B fires involve flammable petroleum products or other flammable or combustible liquids, greases, solvents, paints, and so forth. Class C fires involve energized electrical wiring and equipment. A fourth class of fire, the Class D fire, involves flammable metal. Class D fires are not commercially considered by the NFPA to be a basic type of fire since they are caused by a Class A, B, or C fire. Usually Class D fires involve magnesium in the shop or in aircraft wheels and brakes, or are the result of improper welding operations. Any one of these fires can occur during maintenance on or around, or operations involving aircraft. There is a particular type of extinguisher that is most effective for each type of fire.